Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your earbuds EARFUN Air 2 from your MacBook. You have to start by press one time at the Bluetooth button at the top, but if you don't have this icon, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then we need to go to the settings. And now, at the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. Right here at the left side we have a button Forget the device. You need to click this button. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds but leave them at the device list to reconnect them in the future, you need to select Disconnect, because we will totally remove them from the MacBook. So let's do this. Forget this device and forget device. Now we can put these earbuds to the charging case and close the case. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!